dental cleaning.
Shouldn't be
only
allowed on
$7
beats this
will touch
sick.
my baby's skin.
Beats this ill should be illegal.
Yo,
Check me out.
yo, listen, let it rock for a second. Yo, hey yo, listen, yo, put your seatbelt on. Listen, yo, I rip beats open like bags of Lay's at lunchtime. Hungry for my truth, yo, then step in my lunch line. I feed it to you raw, yo, you get it in once. My rhyme hit your soul, yo, I call it a punchline. I keep it coming like faucets that stay running. I've been up in the church since the days I started drumming. I didn't take it serious, but now I can say that ever since those days a foundation was being laid. I couldn't see God because my spirit was dead, but now I'm resurrected, yo, and Christ is my head. I see the people that believe that the Christ man is dead, but in fact, he is alive and my mic manifests. So you can come and test me, I don't carry no text, G. To stay on my grind with my mind on Colossians 3. Yo, I don't live cause I died to myself. Now I'm living and not sinning cause I went through his help. Yo, the Lord spoke to me, I gave up my rights. Inherited wealth, dog, inherited life. I ain't spitting that I'm tough, I'll hurt something. I'm trying to show these kids that they're worth something. I don't promote myself, but try to tell you I'm cool just to get praised and use you like tools. Been in and out the rap game about 10 years, but from the way I spit, you know I've been here. So adjust the bass and fix up your treble. Forget what you heard about me only liking metal. Forget 16, I blow till I'm done. And if you got what it takes, I'll let you drop one. I got a hot one ready at all times, so you know what happens when I ball all dime.